Everyone, welcome to another video of mine. So as we come to the end of this year, I'm not going to say that I have collected a lot of items, but there was, since the whole of the year has gone like this only, very less items, just trying to just shuffle from here and there. So, and these are one of your holy grails foundations which you always want to come always back to them whenever you get time. And I've got one included, one of the drugstore ones. I love drugstore foundation, I love lots of them. So but right now, most of you must be aware that my favorite drugstore foundation is the L'Oreal one. I use it almost all the time. So let's start with my first foundation. Now, before just moving on to the videos, guys, I would just like to say who all have supported me, a very big thank you. But I really need some more support from you, some more love from you. And literally that's it, really. So that's, I think we all are going to survive in this way only. So that's it. Hoping to receive more positive comments, more positive feedback. Some of you are going to, if you're going to like my channel, like my videos, then probably you consider subscribing. That's it. So 5 foundation, I'm just going to divide into some of the segments. I'll try to put in as much as I can. So this is going to be my first like top 5 foundations for used, top 5 most loved foundation in 2020. Then I'm going to put in forward for blushes as well, my top 5 most used blushes, then my highlighters, my top 5 most lipsticks, and so on and so forth. So that's it. So this is my like the first segment of 2020 top 5 foundation. I always found this to reaching for as much as I can. You know, one of my friends recommended this, and after that, and the best part is it comes with SPF 15. It says full cover, oil free, shine control. So if you are like one of my skin tones which has got problem of acne or hormonal changes on stuff like that, then I think probably you're going to be looking for the oil free ones, because my skin is already oily. If I'm going to put foundations which has got lots of water retention into it and lot of that slipping, sliding, it's going to be more and more oily. So for this one, so this is the Bobbi Brown foundation in shade number Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation, and this is in the shade number 4.5 Warm Natural. I'm just going to give you, just see, this is like the perfect texture. It's not one of those dry foundation. It's quite nice buildable ones. You can see it's quite a nice buildable foundation. This is like the perfect skin tone at this time of the year. In fact, this is like the perfect yellow based or the proper best match for my skin tone. 4.5 Warm Natural. So this is my first recommendation. It's going to hide your pores. It's going to deal with your all your coverings and stuff like that. You don't really need to use your concealer. You can just get away with this, a tiny dollop of it, and it can cover your whole face. It's full coverage, but you need to again build it up. That's what I like to do. So this is the first one. My second one is going to be let's start with this one. Okay, so this is my second one. Again, very nice foundation. This is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation in the shade Y325. So if you're near to my skin tone, this comes with a nice pump. So I think it's always a plus point to have a pump with the foundation. So again, this is also very nice foundation, and as you must be aware, the Ultra HD range for Makeup Forever, it's very good for your flash photography or whenever you're getting a wedding shoot or something like that, or if not, just clicking the pictures for Instagram or for Facebook or TikTok. Now if you're going to see, considering with Bobbi Brown, this one, this foundation is little bit more on your side, but again, it's nice buildable coverage foundation. So this, you can see there's lot of difference between these two shades. This is the perfect shade. This is a tad bit lighter on me, so but I still try to make this work with adding some foundation with some different, I just try to mix it with some different foundation. But nevertheless, when I want some nice photographs taken, or this is the foundation which I go for all the time. So this is the second one, Makeup Forever, in the shade Y325, And let me just quickly wipe it off before most used one. Seriously, I've done this makeup using this foundation. I love this so much. This is the Shiseido Synchro Skin Self Refreshing Foundation. If I was talking about this one, considering it has got SPF 15, this one has got SPF 30. Again, a oil-free foundation. I mostly look for the oil-free ones. And this comes with, I have shown this in my videos a lot of time. This one's with the, comes with the twist cap mechanism. So let me just, this is in the shade 320 Pine. It's the perfect shade for my skin tone. You can see I love this foundation, guys. I really love it. This is such a beautiful foundation. If lots to just to show you on the camera how much, but for the this is going to be my full face with this one, or if not full face, then at least more than half of the face with at least with this much of foundation. So this is like the perfect foundation for me. I love this so much. If I'm just going to recommend just one foundation from the drugs or from the high end, it's going to be, if you really want to go for the photography, then choose Makeup Forever. But if you really want all-rounder foundation, I'll highly recommend the Shiseido one. It's lovely and it has got SPF 30. So again, a plus point. Is my most used one. I use this all the time. You can see from the cap, it's just, and this is the only one foundation which I bought a backup in the sense I ran out of my first one, then I went ahead and went with the second one. So this is my second bottle of this. I love this so much. And to all this foundation, I never got a chance to buy a second bottle because I never finished with the first one. So this is the only one which I went ahead with and bought the second one. The shade L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Foundation, and this one is in the shade 3D Golden Beige or Beige Door. This is my perfect foundation for my everyday wear. Perfect drugstore foundation. If you just like one to spend in, if you just want to have one foundation in the medium budget category, just close your eyes and go for this one. And the shade also, if you're near to my skin tone, with this foundation, I don't tend to use lots of highlighters, because if you're going to say, if you're just going to have a look at this bottle, I don't know whether the camera is picking them up or not, this has got a little bit of, you know, light shimmery particles in it. And this foundation, if you're just going to apply on its own, it's just going to give that radiant and the healthy glow look. Just have a look. It's wonderful. It's like so easy, so nice, you know, one of those moisturizers which has got like the tint in it. It's one of those. It's wonderful. I love this. So this is my fourth one, and my last one is going to be Smashbox Studio Skin Foundation. Sorry, it's a bit dirty. So this is in the shade 2.4. This is my perfect shade during summers, but during this time of the year, I would like to go for 2.2. You can see this is quite dark for me at this time of the year, but during summer, it's my perfect tone. I love using this, and this is the Smashbox Studio Skin Foundation. I love it. You can see links onto your skin. So all these foundations are as good, guys. You can just go ahead and pick any one, literally, whichever suits you. And my last but not the least, this is not going to be my most used foundation in 2020. That's not going to be the truth. That's going to be a lie, because it just came out. And but again, this is going to be honorable mention, because the day I purchased it, I love it. So I thought, why not sharing with you guys. So this is the Huda Beauty foundation, the 4 filter foundation stick, and this is in the shade 300N Latte. I mentioned that I bought 300 and the Amaretti shade as well, but that was quite dark on me. This is my perfect shade if you're just going to have a look. And guys, if you can see, just take a moment to appreciate. It just gives appearance of the skin. Doesn't it look like I have applied foundation? No, it doesn't. It just gives a like 4 filter foundation stick, but it's just skin like foundation. If you don't want to apply foundation, just a little bit of tint to your skin, to your face, I think this is the perfect one to go for. And it's quite blendable, very easily blendable. You won't believe, when I'm in hurry, I just apply and blend it with my hands. I don't even use a brush. I like literally blending this away with my fingers, and see, just blends away easily. You can see the finish it has. So just very nice one to have for your day to day, every day. If you don't want the blending, if you just want a hassle free foundation, I think this is the Huda Beauty 4 filter foundation stick to go for. So that's it for my top 5 foundation favorite, guys. If you like these ones, then do comment. If you have got some other suggestions, then I'll be more than happy to welcome your suggestion. And please support my channel, guys, and love you all. Bye.